Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are going to do a purple halo smoky eye look using Dominque Cosmetics Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like in the back, and then you open it, it has these gorgeous colors. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I put my lids off camera. So again, this is the Dominque Cosmetics Weather palette. This is how it looks in the back, and then when you open it, has all these beautiful colors. I'm using the shade Toasty here, right here, this brown shade right here as my transition shade. And these are all matte eyeshadows. With my blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Chill, this purpley shade right here. And it's going to go to the outer corner. So today is, like I said, title is Halo Look. So I'm going to spray this brush just a little bit. I'm going to use my NYX Bare Me spray. Spray a little bit, because I got to get the purple shade even more. So this, again, this purple shade is called Chill. This is my first time doing a halo look, so please bear with me. Let's get a close-up. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to like put it right here. And put some right here in the middle. Then I'm going to take my flat brush. Just going to like sit down. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this palette later, but for a shimmer shade, I'm gonna use this H&M liquid eye color in the shade Antique Gold. You can find these at H&M website. I did a first impression review on all the H&M makeup, so if you want to check that out, the card will be right here or right here. So this is Antique Gold, and I'm going to just take a little bit and just apply some right here. I think I'm gonna put some on the brush like this because it's gonna get real messy. My blending brush again, and I'm just gonna like blend this. Take some more of the Chill shade, tap it out. I'm just gonna like blend it like this, just very lightly. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use Sugar Waterproof Micro Liner in the shade I'll Be Black. That's literally what it said. So this is the Sugar eyeliner by Sugar Cosmetics, and this is a liquid liner, and I'm gonna swatch it right there. Oh, beautiful, right? So again, I'm not good at wings, so I'm just gonna do a classic liner. So please bear with me. Thought I had a mirror here. For mascara, I'm using Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and this one is in the shade Black. So To prime my skin, I'm using the Covergirl Trublend Pore Minimizing Primer. This one, it was very hard to find, so I had to order it from Amazon. For foundation, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation in the shade Light Medium. So this is a light medium shade, Meet Your Hue Dose of Colors. And it comes with a pump. So I'm going to take my complexion brush, add some pumps. Just like that. For concealer, I'm using the Morphe, what is this? The Morphe Concealer. I took the box out. Morphe Concealer in the shade 2.25. So, this is it. This is like a light medium shade. It doesn't say it. Morphe concealers and foundations goes by number. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and I'm just gonna blend away. To set this concealer, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Banana Setting Powder. So, that's how it is in the packaging. I'm going to open it, take some. Take some over here, just taking my setting brush, the banana powder, and just set this makeup. And set the rest of my face with this. So I'm going back to the Sweater Weather palette by Dominque Cosmetic, and I'm gonna use the same colors I used, and I'm gonna go to the bottom here. So I'm gonna take this one, the brown shade, and take some. Then I'm going to take some of the purple. Apply some mascara again on the lower. For bronzer, I'm using again Fenty Shady Biz Bronzer. Really love this bronzer so much. I am gonna get the big one. I just bought the mini size version to test it out before I purchased the big one. For the lips, I'm using Morphe Mega Matte Lipstick. This is how it looks like in the shade Super Matte Morphe. So this is how it is in the packaging, like that. I'm gonna swatch it. This is like a beautiful red color. So this is a brand new lipstick. You know, when you get a brand new lipstick, it's brand new. It is not the shape of lipstick that the way you apply it. So okay, so to set this makeup, I am going to use this oldie spray, which is the Milani Makeup Last. I heard they have a jumbo size this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this purple halo eye makeup tutorial look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.